What is the green card processing time? One of the most common question immigrants have is, what is the green card processing time? The green card processing time can be very long, as you will have to deal with numerous government bureaucracies. The process can be slow and frustrating if you just jump in head first. The main steps you will most likely need to take include the following. First, you should decide whether you will need a lawyer or not. Immigration law is really complex and paperwork intensive, so having a professional help could avoid you a huge headache and ordinary mistakes. If you desire to apply through an employer, you should wait while the employer completes a prevailing wage request and receives a prevailing wage determination (PWD) from the U.S. Department of Labor (DOL). In other words, the PWD tells the employer how much money is normally paid to people in similar jobs. Meanwhile, your employer will need to recruit and attempt to hire an American worker for the position, and then, assuming that fails, file a labor certification on your behalf. At this point, you must relax a bit longer while either your U.S. family member or your employer fills out what is called a visa petition for you. There are two different forms, Form I-130 Form Family and Form I-140 for Employer. The visa petition shows either that you are the petitioner's family member or that you have been offered a job and received labor certification. It may take months or even years for U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) to approve the petition. Furthermore, if, in the category under which you are applying, only limited numbers of visas or green cards are given out every year, you'll need to wait until the people in line ahead of you have received their green cards, which can take years. Ultimately, you get to fill out your own set of application forms and collect various documents. You will submit these to either a U.S. consulate in your home country, if you're doing consular processing, or to USCIS in the United States, depending on where you live, and, if you live in the United States, whether you're eligible to use the adjustment of status application process. Adjustment of status would allow you to apply for a green card without returning to your home country first, but many people are not eligible to adjust status, particularly if they entered the U.S. without inspection.